If you want to stay organized and never miss a follow-up in Pipedrive, activities are what you need. In this guide, I'll show you how to create and manage activities step by step. First, log into your Pipedrive account and click on the Activities tab. This is where all your tasks, calls, meetings, and reminders are managed. Next, click the Add Activity button. Choose the type of activity you want to create, such as a call, meeting, task, or deadline. Now fill in the details. Add a title, select the related deal or contact, choose a due date, and set a time if needed. You can assign the activity to yourself or another team member. Yeah, this helps keep responsibilities clear and ensures nothing gets missed. Once everything is filled in, click Save. Your activity will now appear in your calendar and activity list. As you complete tasks, mark them as done. You can also update or reschedule activities if plans change. To manage your workload better, use filters to sort activities by due date, type, or person responsible. Activities are even more powerful when linked to deals. This helps you track every interaction related to a sales opportunity in one place, and that's how to create activities in Pipedrive. So by keeping your tasks organized, you'll stay on top of every follow-up and never miss an important opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.